First day out on the bike this year. Put the bike away just before Christmas. Store it up over the period. Came out, cleaned it up, got all the roads salt off. Well, it's all too easy just to get the car or bus, not go out in this cold. But yeah, back on the bike. That's a month. Oh, not missed this either. There's some odd smell was coming off the bike. Some of the engine paint. The SCF 50. Well, this is boring. Cut to some other footage. 2 days ago I done some of the Fife coastal path. Takes you, well, this bit from Kincardine Bridge to 4th Road Bridge. It's about 18 miles. I was sore the next day, just not used to such exercise after Christmas. Oh, I think there's something going on here. One of the little walks takes you through sleepy villages. I think there's someone broken down or stopped or something up here. Been about 10 minutes to go quarter mile. Oh dear. Do you want a hand, mate? Is there anyone coming to help you?
I'm not. I've got somebody to come and pick me up. But
Right, you better get yourself checked out. The airbags went off, you're going to shop. Right, we're just going to push this up on the verge. Right. Nah. Don't bother about me, yes. Okay, are you all okay? Or you can deal with Fiddle? Right, no bother. See, when you see something like this and you're queuing in your car or whatever, and you think, oh, somebody else will have phoned it in. It's no trouble to the emergency services for you just to take that precaution and phone it in, eh?